Measure the height of the overflow tube. If overflow tube is taller than 9 inches, cut tube down to 9 inches. Remove white locking clip from the fill valve. Do not remove this green clip, which holds the outer stationary cup in the correct position. Quarter turn to unlock the telescoping shank and adjust the height so the top opening of the outer stationary cup is half an inch below the top of the overflow tube. After proper height is adjusted, quarter turn back to lock the fill valve and reinsert white locking clip. If the overflow tube is 7.5 inches or taller, you will need the longer of the two floats that come in the small sealed plastic bag. Otherwise, the shorter float will be needed for any overflow tube shorter than 7.5 inches. Also in the small sealed plastic bag is a sealing rod. Insert this sealing rod from the top into the protector's reservoir. While pushing the seal rod in, snap on the correct size float. Once the fill valve is securely mounted in the tank, we will attach the fill valve chain. Remove metal clip from the fill valve chain, press down on the flush handle and bring chain to closest hole on the flush handle. Connect the metal clip about 6 chain lengths down from this hole and then attach clip to the flush handle. Trim off excess chain, but leave at least an inch of chain if possible. Connect refill tube. After turning on the water supply, the protector fill valve may turn itself off since it is starting off with a completely empty tank. Press and hold down on the X mark on the fill valve shutoff arm until you see the protector's reservoir empty out all of its water. Check that the water level is about half an inch below the overflow tube. Make sure when making a flush the flapper lifts and the fill valve chain turns on the fill valve.